We are introduce highlight features or overview summary of WOLLAR 3000A, jump starter with air compressor. Consists of the following features. 4-in-1 car emergency tool, you can jump start your car. Inflate and monitor your tires, charge your phone, and light up your surroundings, all with one compact device that combines a powerful car battery jump starter, smart tire inflator, portable power bank, and LED flashlight. Whether it's a cold morning with a dead battery, a long trip with low tire pressure, or a nighttime roadside emergency, this all-in-one tool keeps you prepared and confident on every journey. 3000A peak 12-volt jump starter. This powerful 12-volt car jumper starter portable delivers up to 3000A peak current, allowing you to quickly jumpstart cars, SUVs, and motorcycles. Supports up to 8L gas and 7L diesel engines, making it ideal for most 12-volt vehicles for daily driving and roadside emergencies. When the indicator light turns solid green, the connection is correct. Start the engine within 40 seconds. If the vehicle does not start, disconnect the clamps, wait 20 seconds, and try again. 160 psi fast tire inflation. The car jump starter with air compressor lets you quickly inflate car tires, off-road vehicle tires, motorcycle tires, bike tires, balls, and more. It includes 4 additional inflation nozzles to fit different valves. The digital display shows real-time tire pressure, allowing you to monitor inflation easily and switch between PSI, bar, kPa, and kilogram per square centimeter for precise control. A portable jump starter with air compressor you can take anywhere for roadside use. Multiple safety protections. The portable car jump starter features intelligent safety clamps and comprehensive built-in protections, including overcharge protection, overdischarge protection, overcurrent protection, short-circuit protection, low-voltage protection, high-temperature protection, low-temperature protection, and reverse polarity protection. These safeguards help ensure stable and reliable operation during jump starting. Portable power bank and LED display. Equipped with a 20,000 mAh battery, the car jump starter also works as a portable power bank for charging phones and other USB devices. The LED display shows real-time data, including battery level and operating status, so you can easily monitor power during use. Dual-sided LED lights offer 4 lighting modes, providing flexible illumination for different situations, whether for roadside assistance, nighttime use, or emergencies. Compact design, featuring a space-saving, compact design, this jump starters is easy to store in your car, backpack, or trunk. The convenient carry handle allows you to pick it up and carry it like a small bag, making it quick to grab whenever needed. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.